Welcome.
Good morning. Today we will introduce our server and our relay. My name is Jian. I intern become a doctor. My name is Niat Awarwo. I am a patient. My name is Lim Sonet. I am active family. Good morning, doctor. How are you today?
Good morning. Sit down, please. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How are you feeling today?
Thank you. Not so good. Actually, I've been having a bad headache and fever for the past a few days.
Also, let me examine you and see what may be causing those symptoms. I think you might have the flu. Have you been getting enough rest? Not really. I've been trying to work through it, but it's been difficult. I would recommend that you take a few days off to rest and recover. If we prescribe some medication to help with the fever and head cold, make sure to stay hydrated as well.
Excuse me, doctor. How is my sister?
Hello, your sister is showing symptoms of the flu, but with some rest and medication, if possible, so recover with next whole day.
See, is there anything we can do to help her feel better?
Yes, make sure she gets plenty of rest and food. You can also help by preparing some like nutrition meal for health. If the symptoms persist or worsen, please don't hostile to be her better.
Then thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care, and I hope your sister feels better.
Okay, thanks all for us. Thank you and don't forget to be Bye.
Thank you for watching.